Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is SHADMAN ZOHA with Matric number P0319104880. In this video, I am presenting my Workshop 1 project. So for my Workshop 1, my title is Bookstore Management System. So in this video, I am gonna talk about my background of project, problem statement, objectives and project scopes, target user, system implementation, constraints, future improvement and conclusion. So now I'm gonna start with background of the project. In a bookstore, there are a lot of books to maintain. The bookstore management system mainly works for operating the basic operation bookstore business. Manually it's difficult. It's quite difficult when we maintain the bookstore manually. So because manually it's hard for the customer to find book, time consuming and more risk of error, and also for the person who operates the store. This system can help us to build a better business management. As a result of using it, we can easily find every information about book quantity in the store, recorded customer information, promotion information, etc. In the system, there will be stable data stored in the device which can be accessed at any point according to demand. This will save time, show book quantity, record of all information. As a result, the bookstore will achieve satisfaction from customer and success in business. Okay, so the next part is problem statement. What kind of problem face manual bookstore? The manual approach to bookstore is time consuming and diligent. The problem affects customer satisfaction. Our mission is to overcome this problem. When a system handled by manually, there was a risk of error because there was no computerized database that would make sure that error frequency will be lesser. When we handle manually, we need more employee or staff to handle the store, so it will be reduce that and make more profit. The best weapon of an organization is customer satisfaction. In this situation, it is important to provide a simple and coordinate method for coordinating and having customer objective. In this initiative, the framework is built to help managers handle bookstore data instead of manual method that require time and manpower. The method would result in productivity and reduce price for the bookstore company to operate the bookstore correctly. In this way, the administrator can be exposed to the exact use of technology by proper management to improve their enterprise and carve out their road to success. Okay, so my project scope is module to be developed. There is two parts. One is admin and the second one is user. So admin part, there is the scope login, view product, add item, update item, delete item, promotion and customer information. And for the user, there is part for login, view product, make purchase, search product, add to cart and delete from cart. So target user for this system is shopkeepers and business owners. Now I am going to implementing my system. So now I am gonna run my system. Okay. So this is the starting page of my system. Welcome to our book store. And this is our main login page. As I said, there is two options. One is for admin and second is for user. And the last one is for exit. I'm gonna now log in with admin. So one. This is the admin login page. For admin, the username and the password is set by default because admin never register in the system. So I set the password and username as ZOHA and 123. Successfully, there is few options. Now I am gonna use add item. I am gonna add a book in my system. I have to enter the ISBN number. So it's 123 111 121 and 141. So book title is OP, author name is Dr. Publication year is 2020, book price is 30 and book quantity is 70. Record inserted successfully in database. There is few options now. Admin login page, add again or exit. So let's say I type a wrong keyword like 9. There is no option for 9. So wrong keyword, please try again. Press any key to go admin main menu. So if I press any key, I'm directly in the admin main menu. So this is my database. As you can see, there is a table for book info. All my information about book is inserted in this table. So let's say now I'm gonna view my product. So one. So there is 4 product that I have. I insert this one just now, and the other three I have done it before. So this is my all product in my bookstore. So now I am again going to admin login page. Now let's say I am delete one of the item. So 4, I have to enter the ISBN number. So like this ISBN number 123 122 111 124 123 122 1111 and 124. So the book information is successfully deleted from database. So just go to database. Now I am refresh this page. So you can see my book information is already deleted from the database. Do you want to delete again? No, I am not going to delete again. So 2. Okay, let's say now I am going to update this information, this book information. I have to update this information. So there is an update option, update item. So just 3. So I have to enter their ISBN number. So the ISBN number is 132 112 112 142. So this is the information about book. Enter author name. If I am not going to change the author name, just press N. Then title, I'm not going to change this. Year, no. Then price, there is price is 30, so I'm going to change this price with 40. And quantity, the quantity is 45. I'm going to change the quantity with 60. So the new information of book successfully saved in database. So let's see. So I'm just gonna refresh this page. So as you can see, the information is already updated. So the information is already updated. Do you want to update again? No, I'm not going to update again. So I'm now again come back to my admin main menu. So let's say there is another option, customer information. So 6. So there is just 2 customers in my system who are registered, and there is all the information about their name, email number, name and password. So now I'm going back to my admin page. So there is one more option, that is promotion. So now I'm going with promotion. So there is one more option, that is promotion. So now I'm going with promotion 5. So the percentage of promotion is now going on 50%. If I want to change the promotion, just enter the promotion percentage. So the promotion range is 0 to 1. If I inserted any wrong promotion numbers like 200, if I press the 200, then you inserted wrong value for promotion. Please try again and change the promotion with integer value between 0 to 100. So I have to must put the promotion percentage with 0 to 1 within this value. So now I'm gonna change the promotion to 50 to 20%. So just 20. Okay, successfully saved in database. Want to change again or exit? So I'm gonna exit. Okay. So this is all about my admin page: view product, add item, update item, delete item, promotion and customer information. Now I'm going to exit from admin. So 0. Are you sure you want to exit from this system or go to main login page? So I'm going to main login page. So 2. So this is my main login page. Now I am go with user 2. So for user login page, there is few options. One is for registration, one is for login, and the last one is for exit. So if the customer is new, they must have to be first registered in the system, because without registration no customer will go login with this system. So like I am the new customer, so I am now going to register in this system. Enter your full name. So my full name is SHADMAN ZOHA. My email address is SHADMAN ZOHA 90 gmail.com. Okay, phone number 014737615. Create username like ZOHA and make a new password. So my password is also ZOHA. Record inserted to database. Please enter to go to user login page. So just enter. So I'm now come back to my user login page. I'm now just go to my database. So there is a table for customer. Okay, I'm just now login, so just now register. So this is my information that is stored in my customer information. So my customer ID is 31 and all the information that I inserted. So now I'm gonna log in with this system. So now I have to put my username that I inserted in the registration. So like I input a wrong username like SHADMAN and password is 12345. Okay, so wrong username or password, please try again. So now I'm going to insert the right username and password. So the right username is ZOHA and the password is also ZOHA. So now I'm successfully login with my user. So for user there is also few options. One is for view product. Suppose when a customer enter in a system for first time, they must want to see what kind of product is inserted in my system. So like I am now go to see all the products. So there is 3 items in the bookstore management system. These 3 books, one is OOP book, OOP, and the third one is OS book. So I am now go back to the user main menu. Let's say I want to search a product, so 3. So I have to just put the ISBN number like 132 112 112 142. So if I input the correct ISBN number, the all information is shown below. Okay, now there is 2 options: user login page if I want to go back to user login page, or search again. So I want to go back user login page. Now let's say I want to purchase a book. So first I have to add the book to my cart. So for add the book 4. So in my bookstore there is 3 books. Okay, so I want to purchase this book for ISBN number. So enter the ISBN numbers. ISBN number is 123 111 121 and 141. So now I have to input the quantity. So you can see the book quantity is 70. So 70 books is on my bookstore. So if I input a larger book quantity than 70, what happens? Let's see. So I input 80. So the message is shown out of stock. Try again, not found. So the book is out of stock. We don't have much book like 80. So user login page, add again. I am going to add again. So let's say this has been number 123 111 121 and 141. And the quantity, let's say I want to purchase 10 books. Okay, recorded, inserted successfully in database. Add again or go to user login page. I want to purchase 1 more book, so 2. So enter the ISBN number 123 132 112 112 and 142. So let's say I want to purchase this book 5. So record inserted in database. So now I'm going to user main menu. Let's say if I want to delete any book from my cart, just enter 5. Then this is the information in my cart. So this is all the information that I added in my cart. Okay, so let's say I don't want to buy this book. So I just delete this book from my cart. How? So just I have to enter the cart ID. So the cart ID is 85. So I just put 85. Then the product is successfully deleted from my cart. Do you want to delete again? No, I don't want to delete again. Okay, 2. So let's say now I'm going to add 1 more book or make purchase. So the book ISBN number is 123 231 23 332 and quantity is 5. Record inserted successfully in database. Now I am going to user main menu. So let's see in my database. So there is a cart table. So you can see I put 2 books in my cart. Okay, one is quantity is 10 and another one is 5, OOP and OS book. So if I go to the book info, there is book quantity for OS book is 60 and OOP is 70. Let's say now I am going to purchase this book. So what happened? So just 2. This is my current info. These 2 books are added in my cart. So are you sure you want to buy this product? Yes, I am sure. So just type 1. Then the total price is 450. Our shop gives you 20% promotion. After promotion, the price is 360. So this is all about the purchase. So if I change the promotion value, then the promotion price is also changing. Okay, so now I'm going back to user login. So go to the database. So when I purchase the item, the cart is automatically deleted all the items. Let's say refresh, the cart is now blank. And in the book info, so in the book info, the book quantity is also updated with the new book quantity. Okay, so this is my book info, cart, customer information, and the promotion table. I just put the promotion percentage and the purchase. If I want to view the total purchase item for my bookstore, there is the total price, purchase ID, promotion price, and the customer ID. Which customer purchased the books? So there is also the customer ID. So let's say now I am add to my cart one more book. So 123, 111, 121, and 141. Quantity 10. Okay, record inserted successfully, and I'm going to the user page. Okay, let's say now I don't purchase this book, I just exit from the system, but in my cart the book is already added. So when I exit from the system, if I exit from the system without purchasing the book, so 0. Are you sure you want to exit? Yes, I am sure. So thank you for using our bookstore system. Please come again and enter. So let's say refresh this book card. So this is blank. So if a user exit from the system without purchasing any kind of book, the card is also deleted all the information about the user. So that's it. So this is all about my workshop project 1 for bookstore management system. Thank you so much. So now I am come to the last part of my video, constraint, future improvement, and conclusion for the project. So constraint. More or less every system has some constraint. Our system also has some constraints, such as the system cannot use by multiple users. At one time, only one user can use this system, and the system can handle by only one admin. The system cannot use by multiple admins. And one more thing is, if any customer wants to return any book, there is no option in our system for return back items. So this is the constraint of our system. And for future improvement that we think, this system has been made as simple as possible, but we have some constraints also. So for future improvement for this system is, we must make multiple admins and user login system. And we also must create an option for return back book if any customer want to return back any book. After this improvement, our system can handle by much sufficiently, and then it will be more comfort for our customer and admins, faster and more accurate service. So the conclusion, in this present age we use all the modern technologies. We can search anything in internet and we get the proper information from it. But nothing can ever take the place of book, because books are a treasure trove of knowledge. there are still many book lovers, students and scientists who use books more and more. So in fact, we can understand the significance of the bookstore where this very thing can be found. In order to manage these bookstores, it's important to have a smart framework. It is not only helpful for customer but also for the employer. So since this customer calculate and record whole things about bookstore, it will be easier to maintain and uses of the bookstore. So that's all about my project for workshop 1. So thank you so much.